In your childhood, you must have heard stories about people turning into beasts, dolls dripping with blood. But were they all true? Might be cause India has its very own land of witchcraft, Mayong village. Yes, the place is known for black magic and is often called the capital of witchcraft in India, aka India's very own Hogwarts. The origin of the name Mayong is derived from the Sanskrit word Maya, which means illusion. Located in the Morigaon district of Assam, Mayong has also earned a place in popular epics like the Mahabharata. One of the most peculiar disappearances that are spoken of even today is that of the army of Muhammad Shah in the 1330s. 1 lakh soldier. This entire army group vanished in the forest with not a single body being found. Mayong village is approximately 40 km from Guwahati, Assam. It has been mentioned in epics like the Ramayana and Mahabharata, and the origin of its name holds several interpretations. Mayong is renowned for Tantric Vidya in India. Historically, human sacrifices were conducted until the modern period to worship goddess Shakti known as Narbali. Mayong finds mention in the epic Mahabharata where Ghatotkacha is said to have received powers from this village. Excavations have uncovered swords and sharp weapons, used tools for human sacrifices in other parts of India, hinting at such practices during the Ahom era in Mayong. In Alamgir Nama, a chronicle of Aurangzeb's rule, court historian Mirza Muhammad Kazim states that when the Ahom kingdom was to be defeated in Assam, the leader Ram Singh was more scared of the black magic of Mayong than the Ahom army. The locals of Mayong village also claim that they have witnessed strange things happening in the place which is beyond the orbit of logical thinking. What sets Mayong apart is that the dark arts still persist. Some residents still practice them, ensuring this knowledge endures through generations. Palm readers and fortune tellers are the least of what Mayong has to offer. Doctors, here known as Bays or Oja, treat patients with using medicine. They're apparently assisted by ghosts. They use copper plates pressed against injuries and wounds to take away the pain. According to legend, Mayong was inhabited by shapeshifters known as Mayongi, capable of transforming themselves into animals or other forms at will, heightening the village's aura of mystery and fear. Well, going by the story, it seems Mayong village is rightly called the black magic capital of India. So the logical next question to pop up in your mind could be, is it safe to visit Mayong village? Mayong is a peaceful place to visit. It's not very crowded, but it's becoming more popular with tourists. Locals still do magic tricks for visitors. The best time to go is during winter from November to Feb. If you find ghosts and supernatural stories fascinating, then you should definitely consider visiting Mayong. Its unique identity, history, tradition, and cultural importance make it stand out from other places. For more such interesting videos, keep on watching NewsX.